Hello, this is cjhoyle. In this video I'm going to go cross-country skiing on city streets here in downtown Toronto. Alright, so today is Monday, January the 17th, 2022. And after a couple of days of nice cold weather, we got a fair bit of snow here in Toronto overnight last night and through the morning. I think they're saying that it's somewhere between 30 and 40 centimeters, which in some parts of the world doesn't seem like a lot, but that's a fairly large number for here in Toronto. And every time we get a big snowfall, there's always photos and videos and things that show up on social media and the news showing people cross-country skiing around the streets of Toronto, and I'll often have friends that will send me those pictures or videos and saying, hey, was that you? Knowing that I like to cross-country ski in my city, but this is actually the first time that I've ever cross-country skied on city streets. I normally will go to parks and trails and things when this happens, but just decided today at lunchtime I'm going to go for a short ski. Today is a work day for me, and usually at lunch I'll go out for a walk. I'll take a half-hour break from my desk job and I'll just go for a walk around the neighborhood. But with all this white fluffy stuff, I decided that going skiing would probably be a better option, and really you can only do this cross-country skiing on roads type stuff after you've got a fair bit of snow all at once and before the plows come around. You can see right there somebody has plowed out or shoveled out the area next to their driveway, which means things go right down to the asphalt, which is not where I want to ski. I don't want to ruin these skis, so I'm sticking to the areas that have been packed, mostly by vehicle tires. So the neighborhood that I'm skiing through is the Annex Neighbourhood, located near the intersection of Bloor and Spadina. And I'm just heading in the south direction right now along Walmer Rd. This is going to be like I said, a fairly short skiing adventure today. But really, this is certainly the fastest way to travel right now along here. I've seen people driving vehicles that have gotten them stuck trying to drive along these roads. And lots of vehicles, I'm sure, are snowed in. And even just walking along these sidewalks, which the only parts of them which have been plowed or shoveled have been by the property owners of the individual properties along these roads. So most of them have not been shoveled or plowed. As you can see, these people that I'm passing are walking on the road as opposed to the sidewalk. I'm just going to head all the way down to Bloor, I think, and we'll see what Bloor Street looks like. I imagine that Bloor will have received some plowing, unlike these minor roads. Temperature is quite comfortable to be out here. I think it's right around the freezing point, which seems warm when you had a couple of days that was in the double digits in the negatives of Celsius. I filmed a video back on Saturday when the thermometer said negative 18 when I left home before making that video. So yeah, hopefully this snow sticks around for a while and I'll get the chance to go skiing at some of my other favorite destinations, as well as probably scoping out some new places that I've never skied at before. Last winter I filmed a series of narrated cross-country skiing videos like this, where I explored places like High Park and the Beltline Trail and other places. So hopefully I'll get the chance to do more of that, but it really just depends on what the weather is doing. So here we are at Bloor Street, and you can see that it's definitely been plowed more than the other streets, although there's not a lot of traffic on it right now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed joining me on this short little narrated cross-country skiing video. If you watched all the way to the end of it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.